So underground we went from there all the way inside to over there. There is a door.
That's the hole.
Uh-huh. Papa? So I'm with my brother and we are going in. Oh, this hole is so small. Yeah. Okay. So this is the entry.
Stairs.
Mm-hmm. So last time I was only until here.
Yeah. Yeah. The tunnels look more or less the same as the reconstructed tunnels in Kikandikak.
Ah.
Going parallel here. I'm guessing somehow we can make a full circle here. It might be
Oh,
toilet.
some storage or something toilet, huh?
I guess there's a hole there, but it might be a toilet.
Ah, but you see, there are some things.
Yeah.
Somebody's living here.
Same system. It's a toilet.
Toilet.
Same system here. Oh, it's a toilet.
Ah, here's the toilet, yes. Electricity, there has been. Oh, it's huge. That's really big. What is this teddy bear?
Somebody doesn't like bears.
Homeless teddy bear. Let's go. Oh, this is like sewage. What is it? Water? Here the ceiling is white. They have taken some metal or something from here. So Marco, this will be your new tour. Marco is a tour guide in Tallinn.
They plan to renovate it and open it, but when? I'm not sure.
Mis on Estonian, Aafrika. What is this? Russia, Africa.
We've been here.
We've been here. Hard.
They're from Africa. It's quite wet here. Again, same system, small toilets. From the bomb shelter time. Now we have a blockade. And somebody has thrown here a lot of shit.
What is this? Shit.
Garbage.
Ah. Maybe before there was some entrance from here. Yes.
I will show you there's an entrance
Okay, let's see.
on the left side.
Ah, yes. Ah, yes, there is a door. Okay, we're not going further, but from here you can see how far it goes. You see? It's like, oh, it's endless. Okay, we're going back because it's awfully dirty here.
And the phone doesn't have any signal.
Ah, fuck. Good that I'm not alone.
The walls are in pretty good condition, they seem. Not so bad. You need to be careful.
oota, pööra korraks see valgus minu poole. ahah, väga hea. So what do you think? Because I need a thumbnail too. Okay, we continue. But obviously they have used it during Soviet times, yes?
Yes.
Like a defensive or like a bunker.
Definitely. Yeah. And the width and the size of the bunker and the tunnels is the same as in Tbilisi.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this bag freaked me out.
What is this? Some plastic pipes. That's strange.
You can see the fire was here somewhere
Yes.
by the look of the walls. More specifically, I think here. Because everything is more burnt near the toilet area. So,
Maybe they made fire to heat.
yeah, I'm guessing, yeah, it was somewhere here maybe.
Okay, and we came from here.
And technically, yeah, you can make a full circle if you go that way. A little more like here. Again, quite burnt. A little darker here.
Yes, because when everything is burned, it absorbs the light and it's much darker.
Quite wet, some bottles.
Maybe it's too wet.
It's becoming a little wet, like you said. You have more wood here than anything else.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, it's already getting quite wet.
Okay, we're not going further.
Yeah, the main problem with these things is that you have to
Watch.
dry them up. The system should continue. Yeah, this should be the old wooden.
Obviously they have burned all this wood for heating. That's why the fire. Let's see how far it goes. Oh,
It should make a full circle to the other side where we were as well.
uh-huh. But these are some kind of rafts or something. They have stored something here, yes?
Yeah, these were like these places to sit and sleep, wooden beds.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think you can, if you look carefully, you can see the beds where they
Bunks.
were sitting, bunks. So the bunker more or less continues on. And on the left and the right side, you could imagine people sitting and hiding.
Okay, that's it. We're going back. Mission accomplished. Almost. There's also some
And that?
blanket, yes, pillow. Somebody has been living here. Okay, you first. Ah!
We're out!
Mission accomplished. Come here, Marco. So, what do you think? Write in the comments below. And see you in the next video. So, underground we went from there all the way inside to over there. There is a door far away. So, it's like 80 meters, 100 meters maybe. No, less, 50, 60 meters. So, and it's all the way in the perimeter. So, that's it for today.